self-care isn't about bubble baths or face masks. It's discipline. It's healing. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here today, we are diving into something we often forget in the chaos of our daily life. That is self-care. Self-care isn't just the beauty routines like ice rolling or whatever. It's more of an internal work. I definitely think that having a good discipline and reminding the things that you want in your long run is a big self-care. Basically, self-care is making your inner child feel good. Having self-compassion to me is like self-love, but self-care is more of a superficial thing. Like treating yourself the way you want to be treated, buying yourself the damn flowers, and just treating yourself the way you want to be treated from others, and you giving yourself the princess treatment you need. Also, I think the way you treat yourself sets standards for other people to treat you the same way. Consistency in motivation comes naturally when you do things that fuel you up and your desires up. For example, let's take an introverted person and an extroverted person. For an extroverted person, the self-care would be making new connections, connecting to people, communicating with new people, and going to clubs, going to parties, and just roaming around. But that would be the worst nightmare for an introvert, right? So it is not necessary for having you and the other person having the same self-care routine. It would be different for you and for them. Self-care isn't about following trends on the internet like the morning skincare routine, the 12-step skincare, the gym routine. If you see an influencer posting a story hitting to the gym self-care, that obviously would be the self-care for that person, but that is not necessary that you would have that the gym routine as your self-care. It would be the yoga routine, the meditation routine, or the Pilates routine. And for some people, the process of making the cold coffee, matcha, cooking is also self-care. Also, there are energy cleansing rituals like aromatherapy, meditation, showering. So I guess I'll make another video on energy cleansing rituals, but I guess we should take a look at one of it. So let's take a look at showering. While taking a shower, as the water is running through your body, let the negative thoughts, the bad vibes, the bad energy that you don't want flow through the water and get vanished, and re-energize yourself and just reinvent yourself and relax while showering, and that is just so powerful. Make a list of things that you feel good and you do not feel good in, and when you know the things that you do not feel good in, work on that. And when you know the things that you like doing, you can be confident and you can show to the world that yes, I can do this, and you can bring that thing up to your table. Also, self-care isn't about just routines and the things that you feel good in. Self-care can also be talking to a person, communicating with the person you like, and self-care routine can also be with a partner like your bestie. If you guys like skincare, you can chit chat, have a cold coffee, and put that face mask on, and that would be the best self-care routine. Take care of your heart, take care of your mind, and most importantly, take care of your peace. Until next time, this is Dia signing off. The video and audio might be a little off today, but the message still comes from heart. So yeah, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.